Hey friends, I am Tejas. In this video, I will show you how to make marker beacon system using Arduino. At first, I am going to explain you that how does this marker beacon system works. There are three marker beacon stations. They are outer marker, middle marker and inner marker are placed on the ground and detecting the aircraft approaching the runway over the markers. This system is specifically designed for safe landing of aircraft, that is, three marker stations help the pilot to navigate the distance of runway threshold from the aircraft. And in this project I have installed 3 IR proximity sensors as outer, middle and inner markers and 4th sensor for not return indication because there is no any indications required while aircraft returns its initial position. In the display, to get the visual signals, I have installed 3 LEDs for outer, middle and inner marker and speaker for receiving audio signals. For this project, we need one Arduino Uno board, 4 IR proximity sensors, 3 LED lights, one speaker, or instead of speaker you can use buzzer, and the breadboard and some wires. This is our circuit diagram and connection for all the components. And I have already implemented this as you can see here. Now let's look at the coding part. In Arduino IDE, at first declare and initialize integer variables to store the values of pin numbers. These 4 variables declared as IR sensors, these 3 variables as LEDs, and the sound variable is for the speaker. And these val variables will help us to get the current state of IR sensors, that is high or low. And use of these check variables we'll discuss later. In void setup, we have to declare pin modes of the pins. As you can see here, I have declared sensors for input values and LEDs for output values, that is inner, middle and for outer. And the pin mode for NRI sensor is input. Remember one thing here, code you have written in void setup will execute only once, when you upload your code to the Arduino or when you reset the code using reset button on Arduino. And one more thing is here that void loop will execute repeatedly in Arduino. That's why at each time of execution of void loop, you must store current state of all sensors, that is high or low, in the val variables using digital read function. And it is important to know that generally output value of IR proximity sensor is high. It means when obstacle is detected by IR sensor, its output value gets low, otherwise high. Now let's look at the code for working of sensors. Here, as I written, if val OT equal to low, if obstacle is on outer sensor, then LED for outer marker gets high, means it starts glowing, otherwise low, means off. And when obstacle is detected, value for check 1 gets 1. Similarly for middle sensor and inner sensor. And this val runway variable is for NRI sensor. We will discuss it later. Now let's look at the role of these check variables. So at first, when value of outer sensor gets low, then we have initialized check 1 equal to 1, and if check 1 equal to 1, speaker starts beeping the sound of frequency 1000 Hz for duration 350 microseconds and the delay of 500 microseconds. Similarly for check 2 and check 3. Now let's look at the code for NRI sensor, which is installed on runway. If value of NRI sensor is low, it means the aircraft is returning to its initial position, and at that time check 3 equal to 3. Then delay 6000. In the sense our program wait for 6 seconds at this line of code, it means after 6 seconds our aircraft is reached at its initial position, and then program will start its further execution. Now compile our sketch by clicking on this button. And sketch is compiled successfully. Now connect the Arduino board to the laptop using USB cable. It is connected. Now upload the sketch to the Arduino board using this button. Done uploading. Now let's see how it works. I have already uploaded this project on Arduino Project Hub. For more details you can visit here through link in the description. If you like this project, share this video with your friends. And thanks for watching my video.